Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the right tools and a safe workspace. You power down and unplug the keyboard to avoid shorting or accidental input. Once done, place a soft cloth beneath the keys to catch small parts. Position a wire keycap puller at a 45-degree angle or a flat screwdriver under the edge of the keycap. This gives even leverage. Apply steady upward force. You should feel the cap unclip. If resistance is high, stop and reassess to avoid snapping plastic. You now remove keycaps in sequence, working methodically across the affected area. Start by pulling straight up to protect stems and retainers. Twisting can deform the plastic. Once you free smaller caps, set them aside in labeled rows or take a photo for accurate layout reference. For spacebar, shift, or enter keys, release stabilizer clips by lifting both sides evenly. Using two hands prevents bending. Make sure springs or metal bars remain attached to the retainer if present. You finish by cleaning and testing before snapping keys back on. Wash keycaps in mild soapy water and dry completely. Moisture can short electronics. Once dry, align each cap with its stem and press straight down until you hear a click confirming engagement. Test the keystroke. If it feels mushy or sticks, remove the cap, check that the retainer and spring are correctly oriented, and reseat them. If a clip is broken, replace the retainer or swap with a spare from an unused key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.